Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. It's a very cool song from Shaboozey, Til Sunday, and it's actually Sunday today. So yeah, couldn't fit better. Let's go into that new song from the new album. Before we do that, we need your help, guys, here on Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, my other channel, link up here somewhere. You have to go and subscribe there. Help me out, guys. In that way, we can get some win-win action to it, because if you do that, I promise to put you higher on the list on that Wish Wednesdays, where you have your song you can wish for here on this channel and get it. Your personal song you always wanted to learn. I want to put you higher on the list and yeah, give you better chances to get it faster. So if you just subscribe to the channel, leave that on the comments together with the song you want to learn, then yes, we have a good deal. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Now let's move into the Til Sunday song. Capo on 4th. Start with that, and then we're gonna heavily tune down the E string, and I think technically it's like at a C sharp tuning, kind of 2 octaves down, so it's very deep on that E string. Sounds like this. Sometimes it's hard to get it tuned, even if I always end with some play tuned deal in the end there of my tutorials, but yeah, it can be a little bit shaky, this tuning here, if you go and drop it that low. To get it right, you put a capo on the 4th, and you want to match that with this 2nd fret G string. Yeah, almost correct right there. And when I correct it, you get out of tune in a second. So that's how it is basically. But yeah, if you want to match up with the sound, then this is the best setup in my opinion. Believe me, I played around with it. If you want to have everything else standard tuning, then this is yeah. So capo on 4th and match it, that E string, with the 2nd fret G string. Alright, so we have this main thing going on. It goes like this. Okay, so what I do here, I place a short little bar on the D string and G with my index finger. Alright, like this. That's a start. So from there on, you're going to play open E string, which is not the E, but it's now, yeah, technically we're going to call it that. So then the open A, then the 2nd G, and 2nd D. Okay? Then the next round, you go the same pattern, you just switch the bass note. Now it's on the 3rd fret E string. Then open A, then 2nd G, and 2nd D. And then you stretch out to the 5th fret E string for the next round and play it twice. So it's the 5th E, open A, 2nd G, and 2nd D. The same pattern, just bass notes is the difference there. So, and that's one round. So slowly. That's basically the song. You're gonna play that for the verse play and pre-chorus that starts about 35 seconds in. So verse play 4 rounds and then pre-chorus 2 rounds. Same play there, and then comes the chorus at 46 seconds in. Switches a little bit when it comes to playing. It goes like this. Okay, so it's first part, it's open E, open A, then 3rd fret A to 2nd A, and open A. And then you're gonna play the same for the next part, but you just have a different bass note. Now it's on the 3rd fret D string. Then the same parts, open, 3rd, 2nd, open on the A string. And then you have the final part, it's twice as long, it goes like this. In the same way, you have now the 5th fret E string in the bass. Then open, 3rd, 2nd, open on the A string. And then it continues with the second half like this. So it's a open D string, a little pause, and then comes that part, 3rd, 2nd, open on A. You're gonna play this round for 4 times. And you just repeat that for 2nd round. You have that verse 4 rounds played. No pre-chorus, so only 4 rounds, and then you jump back into that second chorus we just learned and played. And then afterwards, you're going to finalize this with an outro. It's after the second chorus, you're going to play the verse play for 2 rounds, and that's the end of it, guys. That's Sunday ending. Till Sunday. We had a fun week. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time.